Good morning, children. In our algebra module, we completed two topics: linear equations in one variable and powers and exponents. Now, third one, algebraic expressions. Already you know what is expression. Okay. So let us recall the introduction of the algebraic expression. See, do you know what is variable? What is constant? Variable means, for example, if we take the temperature of a day, for example, today temperature is 35, tomorrow temperature is maybe 37, next day 38, next day 33, 34, like changes. Every day the temperature at the some time will be not same. So the temperature of a day in a week will be changes. So if you want to show the temperature of a week, you can display on the board temperature of the day is P. The values of P on different days. Value of P in Monday, Tuesday. So what is P? P is temperature. But in the Tuesday, the P value. In the Wednesday, the P value. That means changing. The changing values are called variable. We can say variable means varies means changes. Variables are changing values are considered as variables. Generally, we take English small letters to denote variables. That means small x, small y, small z. Okay. Now already you know. See variables x, y, z. Now see I am writing some expressions. Here see. 7 expressions, 3 plus 8 minus 9, 1 by 3 into xy, 0, 3x plus 5, 4xy plus 7, 15 plus 0 minus 19, 3x by y not equal 0. So, what do you observe? In this 7, any difference? What do you observe in this 7? If you observe the first one, third one, sixth one, you are getting any idea for the remaining and these 3? In these 3, first, third, sixth, only constants, numerals. These are numeral expressions. Okay. See another. These are called numerical expressions. There are only numerals. In the first different another for the remaining 1 by 3x, so x is a variable, y is a variable, 3x plus 5, x is a variable, 4xy plus 7, x is a variable, y is a variable, 3x by y, x comma y are variables. So in the remaining 4 variables are there, so they are called algebraic expressions. Okay? So that is the difference of numerical expressions and algebraic expressions. What do you mean? How can algebraic expressions form? What is mean by term? Can you say any one term? So term means the product of constant. And what do you mean by constant? Constant means that does not change. For example, my age is 30 plus. My height will be constant. For example, after 1 month if you measure my height, that will be same. So height of my height is constant. Any value that does not change, that never change, is called constant value. So constant means that value does not change, fixed. So what is the mean by term? Term means the product of constant and variable is called term. The product of constant and variable. Tell me one constant, any numeral, one negative or positive, 2. Tell me one variable, x, product, 2x, is a term. 3 by 2, one variable y, 3 by 2y, that is a term. X square is a term. Okay, x square means there is no constant means 1. 1 is a constant, 1 into x square. Okay, are you getting terms? So the product of constants and variables is called term. So what about expression? Algebraic expression. See, terms are added to form an expression. Terms are added to form an expression. See 3x plus 5. It is one term, it is term. So two terms are added. Sometimes subtracted. Terms are added or subtracted to form algebraic expression. So now let us see. Can you find find the value of 3x plus 5 if x equal to 1? What is the value of 3x plus 5 if x equal to 1? Substitute x equal to 1. 3 into 1 plus 5. 3 plus 5, 8. So the value of this algebraic expression is 8 when x equal to 1. Now we have do this. 5x y square, 5xy cube minus 9x, 3xy plus 4y minus 8. Now already you have about the idea about term. How many terms are there in this first problem? For this, how many terms? Here only one term. This term is formed by variables x, y, constant 5. Here how many terms? 2 terms. Okay. For example, if you take 5xy cube is a term that is formed by constant 5, variable x and y. Now it is a expression. How many terms? 3 terms. Okay. So number of terms in a algebraic expression. Now next, find the value of 3x plus 5 by taking different values of x. Take x equals 0, different values. Now we are taking 1, 0, minus 1, 2, minus 2, 3. You can take any values. Find any 5 values. Okay. Now what is mean by degree of a monomial? Degree of a monomial. So for example here 5xy square is a monomial. What is the degree? Degree of a monomial or degree of a term. See, in this term, how many variables? 2 variables. The product of 2 variables and 1 constant. So then the degree is sum of the powers of the variable. Sum of the powers of the variables. What is the power of variable is 1. 1 plus 2, 3. So degree is 3. For example, x square. 3x square. What is the degree? There is here only one variable. What is the power? 2. There is need not to be added. If more than one variable, you have to product is there add. Here degree is 2. For example, minus 7 x, y, z. What is the degree? How many variables are there? 3 variables. Product is there. When product is there, variables are there, add the powers. 1 plus 1 plus 1, 3. So are you getting the degree of a term? Now let us go for degree of algebraic expression. Degree of algebraic expression. Before going to define degree of algebraic expression, you have to need to know degree of a term. So what is the degree of algebraic expression? The highest degree of a term in a algebraic expression is called degree of the algebraic expression. Highest degree of a term in a algebraic expression is called degree of the algebraic expression. See here 5xy cube minus 9x. Here 5xy degree 1 plus 3 4. 9x x power 1 degree 1. So what is the degree of the what is the highest degree of the term in this algebraic expression? 4. Highest degree of a term in the algebraic expression. 4. 4 is the degree of this algebraic expression. Okay. Now here see. What is the degree of this algebraic expression? How many terms? 3 terms. Here first term 3 into x into y. What are the variables? X, y. Power 1, 1. 1 plus 1, 2. Here 1. Here 0. So what is the highest degree of the term? 2. So 2 is the degree of the this algebraic expression, highest degree of the terms in the algebraic expression is called degree of the algebraic expression. Okay, depending on the number of terms we have different polynomials. Tomorrow let us discuss. Okay, thank you children, you must write the notes. Okay.